Hello guys, welcome back to the design. Today we are going to see the latest update on XD version 49 March 2022. Now we can give hyperlinks to the selected text in design mode itself. Let's select visit here, and from the right side text panel, now we can see a field to give hyperlink. As default, link comes with underline, but still you can customize it. Only secure link and mail to is allowed for now. Next update is about reorder component states. Now you can reorder the states in the main component by dragging, which is very handy when it comes a lot of component states are used in the project. So this is for now. We will see you in the next video. If you like this video, like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Bye for now. Have a nice day.